Yeah, hey everybody, and welcome back to the course content. This is an introduction to affiliate marketing for digital media brands. For those of you in the course, you're getting obviously lots of supplemental content and course material on this concept. For those of you who are watching this free preview on YouTube or elsewhere, feel free to keep watching to get a firmer foundation on this approach. So essentially, bucket number one or week number one, we are covering selling other people's products. In this really quick demo, we're looking at doing that using the My Listing theme. This approach will work with any WooCommerce powered theme. So if you're using a analog or close cousin of My Listing or any similar framework, fear not, this will also work for you. All right, so let's pick a random listing that I know has some content added to it, and let's see how this would apply. All right, so here is how to write a book that changes the world. Again, this is just a demo listing, and you'll see some of the various ways we've filled out the content using short codes and kind of pre-selected content blocks that are ideal for our audience. But what we want to look at here, most notably, is using the store or the marketplace functionality, because we are covering selling other people's products on our directory. So this is traditionally, as you're going to see, I'm going to click on this. It's going to go to a WooCommerce product. This is mindfulness made really easy, a crash course in mindfulness meditation for beginners. All right. So if you look at the add to cart button, this transaction, should someone want to buy this course, would happen on our site, right? So the course would be purchased and delivered through our site. What we don't want to do when selling other people's products is use that approach to earning affiliate income. It's too messy. It's too tech heavy. It causes too many headaches, and it's going to make your life miserable. Trust me. The easiest way to circumvent that or to high step that hurdle is to sell other people's products using what's called the WooCommerce external product link. All right, so let's look at the shop, and I'll show you an example of that instead. Let's pull up a Lightworker's Guide to Business, a crash course in teaching what you know, doing what you love, and waking up the world with your work. Let's click on that, and let's see this product. All right, so you have a little gallery, you have a little description, but what you'll notice is a learn more button here. This here is an affiliate link, right? So if someone purchases this product on this directory, they don't do it through us, they do it through the owner of this product or the content creator, the seller, the vendor directly. So if you click on this, you'll see it's going to go to our Lightworker launch landing page, which lives on a very different URL, which you can see up here. All right, so let us now go back, and that's an affiliate link. So if that transaction were to take place, now I own that other site as well, that other storefront as well. So, I'm just promoting this, content that I own with other people, but this could be promoted to any partner, any vendor, any person or professional peer that you choose to promote on your platform. Let's see how we're going to do that and how you can do that. Really, really simple. It is this field right here. This is a WooCommerce store, right? Most of you who are running directories are utilizing WooCommerce. It is certainly the most advantageous e-commerce platform for WordPress directories. If I made this a simple product and I updated it, what you're going to see is the transaction is no longer going to facilitate or take place on an external URL. It's going to happen here. right? So if I go to add to cart, all of this is being done now through our site. We don't want that. We want a link to an external vendor or a partner or somebody who we're featuring on our platform, a directory profile owner, a fully managed listing client. So all we do here is go to external product or affiliate product. We change the product type. We type in the URL. Let's say I wanted to type in an affiliate link for ShareTribe, right? And let's say I just fill that in because I already have that pre-populated, and I update this. If I look at this product, now what you see here is a free trial to ShareTribe in the button. And if I click on this, it's going to go to ShareTribe because that's a tracking link that I have that is already set to link using my affiliate cookie or my affiliate tracking URL, and it lands on ShareTribe, which you can see here. This reference number is mine. All right. Now, obviously, you're not promoting ShareTribe. You're promoting your members' products. You can also promote ShareTribe, of course, if that's what you're doing on your directory in addition to your members' products. But this is where the magic happens. You do it all through the WooCommerce external affiliate product type. You fill in your affiliate link here, your button text here, the price here, and it is done.